What you hear over there is the air fryer. And look at my Starbucks. Good morning, guys. Breakfast is going to be a Vans multi-grain waffle. Usually I have two, but I'm gonna have one this morning. And from the itrackbites, it shows 2 of them are 5 points. And then there is my grande iced Americano with 3 pumps of skinny mocha. If they don't have skinny mocha, I usually just get 2 pumps of mocha. I'm not sure the points on regular mocha sauce, so if anyone could comment down below what that is, please let me know. I've tried looking for it on itrackbites and Fitness Pal, and I just can't find the right one. As I'm making that waffle right now, I'm also having some bananas with cinnamon. The banana is to fill me up since I'm only having 1 waffle. Well, I would have had a banana anyways with 2, but also my stomach, no, I'm not pregnant, but my stomach's feeling really icky today. So I know bananas help my tummy whenever I feel icky. So having that with some cinnamon, of course. Here's my breakfast. I'm gonna use some sugar-free syrup. Just a little bit. I don't really need syrup, but just a little bit with some of the bananas on top. Walking back into the kitchen now. So lunchtime. I wanted to do something really fancy for lunch to show you guys, but I'm just gonna keep it real here. I really want eggs that look like 2 boobs just chilling. I'm gonna have 2 Morningstar sausages and then some fruit. So it's pretty simple. In here I'm gonna add some Cholula sauce right now with salt and pepper. And yeah, so I'll show you guys the Morningstar sausage in case you are new and you don't know what I'm talking about. Okay, here is the sausage patties. They are delicious. I'm gonna have 2 and Cholula. It looks so messy. So I'm gonna flip that over one time. Try not to break it, but if it does, whatever. And I'll be back. Dang it, I just burned my eggs. I'll still eat it, but dang it. Why? Okay, I'm gonna try to mash these up and make them look presentable to you guys. If not, my bad. This is how rusty I am with filming you guys. I was so occupied on the camera lens being clean that I let this sit there for a while. Why? Oh well, let's pretend it looks pretty. I know, I'll sprinkle a little bit of cheese on top and more hot sauce. Sounds good anyways. Okay, I did try a bite and it's good. It just does not look presentable now. But there's the 2 Morningstar sausage and apples. I should have stuck with my original plan. I had something really good to make for lunch, but I don't know, you guys. So yeah, apples, 2 Morningstar sausages, and now I guess scrambled eggs with cheese and Cholula, salt and pepper. And I'm drooling. Okay, I'm gonna enjoy my breakfast. I just realized I said I'm gonna enjoy my breakfast, but my lunch is what I really meant. I'm telling you guys, it may have looked ugly, but it tasted delicious. All right, so for dinner, my husband just left to work, so it's just me alone, so I wanted something pretty simple. I didn't want to get too crazy with dinner. So I'm gonna have these mission wraps. This is a garden spinach herb one, and it is 6 points for that. And true story, I used to work at Camille's Cafe and Panera, so I should get it down with the whole wraps, you know. This is a boring one, but like, I think I'm gonna start making more and more wraps. I miss breakfast wraps. I miss all that stuff that I used to make. So anyways, let's just get back to dinner. I'm going to use this cilantro salad dressing that's so good. And on itrackbites, it shows that it's 1 point for 2 tablespoons. And 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. This is 12 points total. I'm going to be using some turkey, a little bit of mustard, some cabbage, and a salami, and some honey ham in my wrap. So yeah, let me start making that now. Oh, this dressing's so good, you guys. So good. So I just spread it on, just a little. Turkey. Okay, I guess I shouldn't have told you guys I worked at a Panera and a Camille's because this one's not gonna be good. I can already tell. My bad. Slice this ham. Yeah, I could have done it a lot better. Like, you're supposed to fluff up the turkey, do all that kind of stuff. Oh, the best wraps are the breakfast wraps from Camille's, and they put steamed rice in it. They put white rice in it, and they put eggs and like pepper. Oh, it's so good. So good. Okay, here's the salami. I'm not gonna put cheese in this today. Oh shoot, I should have put the, darn. See, I'm rusty right here. I was gonna put this first, but it doesn't matter. It's gonna all be rolled up. I mean, it does matter. No, it doesn't. Okay. I love cabbage, so excuse that little mess. Okay, this is optional, but I love mustard on almost everything. Larry's mom, if you don't know who Larry is, that's my husband. So my mother-in-law makes this mustard bread for the holidays, and I am obsessed with it. I've gotta share my husband making it too, because he obviously knows how to make it. Oh, it is so good. It's like their little thing that they do. Okay, so make sure your hands are clean when you do this, because you got to do a lot of tucking in, okay? Okay. I got mustard all over my fingers, so sorry about that. Okay, so just roll it up. Roll it, roll it. Look at that. Ooh, let me eat this. And there you have it. This delicious dinner. This would be a perfect lunch, but hey, this is my dinner, and it is so pretty looking. I'm gonna take a bite. So I decided to have peppers on the side. I was gonna do chips, but because the wrap is a little higher in points, I decided not to, and this gives me the crunch that I need. It makes me think that it's chips. So yeah, going to have this. Usually I will dip this in some kind of cilantro dressing like what I have, or I squeeze a little lime juice on it, but I'm just gonna have it like this today. So yeah, some Cool Whip Light and sugar-free chocolate syrup, Hershey's chocolate syrup. Okay, and all you're gonna do is this, and then you're gonna go like this. Probably a sharper knife would be better, but whatever. You're just gonna take that out. If you have a little ice cream scooper, that'd probably work way better than what I'm doing. I'm doing it the hard way. You're gonna take that out, and then you're gonna just shove this in there. This little spoon is way easier. So you just, oops, I'm nervous. Okay, you just go like this all the way around, and then it just comes out. I'm gonna get some Cool Whip. Ooh, jumpy. And I'm gonna just shove it in there. That's it. Okay, so my battery's gonna die, so I'm gonna really quickly just show you. Oh, I'm gonna real quickly show you what it's supposed to look like. Oh my gosh, my battery's gonna die. I mean, you could probably drizzle it much nicer. Okay, you don't understand. You can even freeze these and it would be delicious. All right, you guys, so here it is. Oh my gosh, so good. Are you guys like a little jealous that I get to eat this right now? Like a little? Go ahead and try it. Taste test. That good? Yeah, for dessert.